learn double scoop. It's choreographed by Steele, Babinec, Debi Pancoast, and Rosie Multari. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance where they restart on wall 4 after the first 8 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart and the ending, and then we're going to go around and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn double scoop. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do hip sways, so we're going to put our weight onto our right foot as we sway our hip to the right. You're going to put your weight onto your left as you sway your hip to the left. Put your weight onto your right as you sway your hip to the right. Put your weight onto your left as you sway your hip to the left. We're now going to do a right sailor step, crossing your right behind your left. Step your left foot to the side, step your right foot to the side. We're now going to do a behind quarter forward. You're going to cross your left behind your right. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot slightly forward, and you're going to step your left foot forward and slightly out to the side. Let's try it with some counts. Hip sway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to hitch our right knee up and across our left. Point your right toe back to the right diagonal. Hitch your right knee up and across your left and point your right toe back to the right diagonal. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, keeping our feet exactly where they are. You're going to turn over your right shoulder and you're going to start a body roll. So as you make that quarter turn, you're going to start your body roll with your head and your shoulders rolling forward and then sitting back onto your left foot. You're now facing 6 o'clock, and we're going to do a run back, stepping back, right, left, right. Let's try it with some counts. We're facing 3 o'clock, weight is on your left foot, you're hitching that right knee up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a left coaster cross, stepping back with your left, step your right next to your left, and cross your left over your right. You're now going to rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and cross your right over your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. And you're going to do a left treble forward, step left forward, right together, left forward. Let's try it with some counts. We would have just done our run back, weights on your right foot. You're doing your coaster cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, you're going to kick your right foot low and forward, step your right next to your left, and you're going to come up on the balls of both feet, swivel both heels to the left, and then back center, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're now going to kick your left foot low and forward, step your left next to your right, and on the balls of both feet, you're going to swivel both heels to the right, and then back center, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now going to do a jazz box cross, crossing your right over your left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the side, and then cross your left over your right. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts. You're doing your kick, step, twist, kicking that right foot low and forward. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do a 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on that left foot. You're doing your hip sways. Sway your right, left, right, sailor, step, behind, quarter, forward, hitch, point, quarter, body roll, sit, run back, right, left coaster, cross, right, side rock, cross, quarter, back, half forward, left triple forward. Kick, step, twist, left, recover. Kick, step, twist, right, recover. Jazz box with a cross. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on that left foot. You're doing your sways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart is going to happen on wall 4. You're going to dance the first 8 counts of your 9 o'clock wall. So wall 4 will be the first time that we come to 9 o'clock. You will do your hip sways, your sailor, and then that behind quarter forward, and then you're going to restart the dance. So let's practice it. Weights on that left foot. We would have just finished our jazz box cross. You're going to step to the side and sway. So we're going to sway, 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 right, sailor, step, behind quarter forward. Right now you're going to restart the dance, sway, 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 sway in your sailor. So you're only going to do 8 counts of wall 4. That will then become wall 5 when we restart to the start of the dance again, facing 12 o'clock. Now let's talk about the ending. The ending will happen. Your last wall will be a 3 o'clock facing wall. So we'll be facing the side. You're going to dance the first 6 counts of the dance, which is up until your right sailor step. So you're going to do your hip sways, sway right, left, right, left. Then you're going to do your right sailor step. Right here, you're going to touch your left toe back. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder to face the front, having split weight. And what you're going to do is pretend you're holding an ice cream and that you just dropped it on the floor. So you're going to look down at your ice cream cone and pout. And that is how you do the ending. So we would have just done our sailor step. You're touching back, touch, quarter, unwind, look down, and pout. Like you got an ice cream cone that's broken. And that is the whole dance. That's all the extras that you have to worry about. So now we're going to go around and dance 5 walls of the dance. So we're going to dance through the restart and the one that follows it so that you can practice that transition. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is starting on your left foot. You're starting with your hip sway. So we're swaying right, left, right, left, right. Sailor, step, behind, quarter, forward. Hitch, point, quarter, body roll, sit, run back, right, left, coaster, cross, right side, rock, cross, quarter back, half forward, left, triple forward, kick, step, twist, jazz box with a cross, now sway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, sway right, left, right, sailor, step, behind, quarter, forward, hitch, point, quarter, body roll, sit, run back, right, left, coaster, step, right side, rock, cross, quarter, half left, triple forward, kick, step, twist, jazz box with a cross, 8 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, restart, sway, right, sailor, step, behind, quarter, forward, hitch, point, quarter, body roll, sit, run back, right, left, coaster, cross, right side, rock, cross, quarter back, half forward, left, triple forward, kick, step, twist, jazz box with a cross. And that is the whole dance. Now that you've learned with the tutorial, you can scroll to the end of this video and practice with the rear facing demo so that you can go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn double scoop. If you have any questions, let me know.